Another option for this, if I were to undo back, is to simply select all. And on a Mac, the keyboard shortcut for that is Command A. On a PC, it's Control A. And if I just hit Command A here on my Mac, I can select all of the edges and surfaces in this particular drawing, and then go up to the Tools menu and select the option for Make Faces. Now, if you're thinking, I don't have a Make Faces option, that's because the Make Faces tool is a Ruby script that I've installed on my machine. If you don't see that as an option under the Tools menu, we need to go through the process of getting you to the website where you can download the Ruby script and then install it. In order to do that, just open up Safari or Internet Explorer, either one, and we want to go visit a couple of websites. The first website that we want to go to is the Smustard website at smustard.com. Smustard's an e-commerce site that gives away a ton of free Ruby scripts, but there's also some even more incredible scripts that you can purchase from the site. And if you simply search on the Smustard website for Make Faces, all one word, you'll see the Make Faces plugin, and you can download it from the Smustard site for free. Another great website for Ruby scripts is the Ruby Library Depot. And in order to find that, you can simply go to Google and type in the Ruby Library Depot and search for it. The Ruby Library Depot is a site that's got hundreds, almost 500 Ruby scripts available, and you can download all of those scripts from the Ruby Library Depot for free. So what we want to do here is go over to the Imperial Plugins section of the site, and then under Geometry and Drawing, we can scroll down. They're all listed in alphabetical order, so I can scroll down to M and see the Make Faces script there as well. In some cases, you'll see scripts on multiple websites. The Ruby Library Depot is really thorough and really extensive, so it's one of the first places that I go. And then for the really crazy ones, I'll check out websites like smustard.com and just kind of search the web in general for SketchUp Ruby scripts, and you'll be amazed at what you find. So in order to download a Ruby script, that's definitely an instance where most likely you're going to want to right-click on the script and select the option for Download Linked File As, and then specify the directory for that particular file. If you just click right on the script, chances are your web browser might not know what to do with that file, and it'll open up a page where you just see a bunch of code and all of the text for the actual Ruby script itself. Right-click, Download Linked File As, and you can save that .rb file to your computer. In this case, I'm just going to save it to the desktop and then hit Save. The other one that we want to look for is going to be in the editing section, I believe. If we scroll down, there should be an option there for label stray lines under L. Again, these are all listed in alphabetical order. So in the editing section, label stray lines, again, right-click, download linked file as, and then I want to save that to the desktop as well. Both of these files that we've just downloaded are .rb files. RB stands for Ruby. SketchUp is a pretty cool program in the sense that it's developed using a Ruby platform, so anyone who knows Ruby scripting or Ruby programming can go in and create their own custom tools for SketchUp. And there's a huge community of Ruby programmers out there who are creating new tools for SketchUp all the time and uploading them to websites like the Ruby Library Depot and Smustard. Once you have the files downloaded, the next step is to place the files into the appropriate directory. On my Mac, I'm going to open up the Finder window and go to the main hard drive, Library, Application Support, Google SketchUp 7, SketchUp, and then Plugins. And you can see here I just have a huge list of .rb files. These are all the Ruby scripts that I've downloaded from different sites. And once you've got the Ruby scripts downloaded from the Ruby Library Depot website, just drag the file over, drag the RB file over, and drop it right in this directory. Again, you can see that whole directory listed down here at the bottom. Library, Application Support, Google SketchUp 7, SketchUp, and then Plugins. On a PC, slightly different directory, you just want to go to your C drive and then click on Program Files, Google, Google SketchUp, and then again, Plugins. And then take the RB file and drag it and drop it right into the Plugins folder. In order to activate the plugin, all you have to do is simply restart SketchUp. So based on the work that we've done so far, tilting the elevations up and getting them into place, we want to go ahead and save the CAD file that we've got, then quit SketchUp and then restart SketchUp. When SketchUp restarts, it'll automatically look to that plugins directory and look for those Ruby scripts, and then you'll see them in the tools menu. So do that, and then we'll come right back to this step where you go all the way into the drawing and select everything you've got in your CAD plan.